these paths will come close to each other. So this indicates ये कहीं से था आके पहुंच गया, ये कहीं से था आके पहुंच गया. They join together, again splitted, you know. So these are the points which says these continents were together during that point of time. Otherwise the paths will not touch. ना. Similarly, suppose you take Antarctica. Antarctica का पाथ हमेशा ही क्या इधर ही होता है. तो 250 मिलियन का पोल भी इधर ही होगा. उसका तो पाथ पता नहीं कैसे. But approximately I'm telling. Suppose let us take the Australia case. Australia case will be 250 million they were together. वो ऐसे आके कट करके इधर जाएंगे. So that means these 5 Gondwana continents, you know, they will have a common pole at 250. 250 में सबका पोल एक जगह में मर्ज करेगा क्योंकि they were together. बात समझा कि नहीं समझा? So from this you can construct an assembly. So these are the paths which are merging at 250 million year. 250 million year में इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अंटार्कटिका और कुछ साउथ अमेरिका और एक अफ्रीका, they are together. So their paths will come very close to each other, you know, around this point of time, suggesting they were forming a supercontinent. They are together. So that is how we have identified this Gondwana land. Then, so from the path you can see, you know, initially they were different places, now came together. Suppose you have path right from 2.7. 2.7 the oldest dikes we have discovered, you know. 2.7, 2.8. Suppose you have path 2.7, 2.8 से सब continent का है. North America का है, South America का है, Europe का सबका है suppose. And suppose they are moving, you know. One is like this, another is like this, you know. So everything will join here. Now how many points are there, you know, intersects, common points? They will find. And they will find the, suppose this is 1.1. 1.1 में all these continents, you know, were together. Like this, there are 3 such points, you know, 1.8 billion year, 1.1 billion year, then 540 million year. There are 3 distinct points, you know, where the paleo underpath, you know, or polar underpath. What's this? 540 million. 540 क्या है? हाँ, sorry. Million. समझा ना? 3 distinct node points. तो वो बोलता है ये एक assembly था. Assembly you understood now ना? Unless they were together, why these paths will merge? So, huh? Tell me.
You said at 50 million.
Come, so wait. So you understood this part, na? So this is an assembly which you say the Columbia. This is an assembly, you know, called Rhodomia. This is an assembly which has Gondwana land. Gondwana land. Understood this part, na? So this is the average time, 1.8, 1.1, 5. The point is this assembly continued to the what point? अरे साथ में एक दिन में थोड़ी नेक्स्ट डे निकल जाएंगे. जो आया है साथ में तो कुछ एटलीस्ट तो 200 से 300 मिलियन साथ में रहेंगे ना. So that is what I was telling you. You are asking this question, I think. 250 or 250. Just stay together. So Gondwana land life become 540 to 250. To follow this point, that means you should have very continuous poles. So these paths remain very close to each other, you know, 540 to 250 points of साथ में रहे. इसका life हो. इसका ऐसे 1.1 to 750. इसका life हो गया. Similarly 1.8 इसका एक्चुअली 1.8 नहीं है, 2.1 to 1.8. इसका उल्टा में लिख दिया. इसका लाइफ ये है. 2.1 में they came together, remained up to 1.8. Then what happened? They break it. कोलंबिया broke apart. फिर ये इधर चला गया, उधर गया, फिर came together. फिर इधर चला गया, उधर चला गया, फिर came together. Now they have again split. So this is an assembly and this is a breakup. This is an assembly. This is a breakup. Breakup. समझे कि नहीं? ना हो बताओ. हाँ. हाँ. Same place.
My question is that what will be if an island was far apart from the Gondwana island, here is Gondwana and here is the island.
So like this na, they may not intersect. Some may intersect. They'll come closer. You are telling little apart na?
Far apart.
Far apart they are not together na?
There is an island far apart from Gondwana island. Where is the pole plot? At the two city.
So that time you see its value will be different na? Which latitude is existing?
It will be not in the same pole.
Is it in the same latitude or different latitude?
Pole will be same. Pole will be same.
Then one point I have not understood yet. That is the essence part, you know. Pole will not be same. वही तो बता रहा हूँ आपको. See, suppose this part is okay ना? हाँ? मैं बता रहा हूँ. I understood what you are telling. Suppose now present Africa is here. Africa is here. India is here. India is here. Now अफ्रीका का पोल कितना है? 60 डिग्री. इंडिया का पोल कितना है? 30 डिग्री. If you project it will go here. Same pole. But now आप इसको रोटेट करो. इसको यहाँ ले जाओ. इधर ले जाओ. इसको इधर ले जाओ. After 100 million years. After 100 million years, आप इसको यहाँ ले आओ. इसको यहाँ ले जाओ. हाँ ये प्लॉट. इसका पोल किधर होगा? इधर होगा. इसका पोल इधर होगा. ये है. That means they can travel in the same way.
So even if they are joined, let's say that they are joined.
If they are joined, yeah, exactly. If they are joined together, you know,
They'll have
इसका भी 60 होगा.
हाँ.
इसका भी 60 होगा. If they are following different path, they will have different route, different pole. But during this time, they will show the same, na?
But over here we are saying that we are constructing polar waterfalls, and because they are shifted differently, and so it should not intersect even if they were joined.
No. कैसे?
Sir, because let's say that Australia's position did not change at all. Let us just say that Australia's position did not change at all.
Just a minute, I will tell you. Now, you see, come to the same figure, you know. India was here, you know. India was here. India was here. Now, you know what? Africa is here. Africa is here. Now, what is the pole here? Its pole, suppose this side, 100 degree. इसका pole 100 degree. Like this. Now, both of them will move. Both. So now if you plot it, they will point to the same place. They will same place. Now they are moving. This goes here. This goes here. Like this. So now this is existing somewhere, you know. ऐसा. It is existing here. It is existing here. Now you plot this pole, 30 degree pole. It will be somewhere like this. It will be somewhere like this. Somewhere like this. Now it's this millionaire pole, 250 millionaire pole. They will have the same plotting.
Not necessarily. What if the Africa is rotated like this? Then they will go over there and this one will go over here.
No, this is 30 degree south. 30 degree pointing towards south. This is 30 degree pointing towards south. Pointing towards south.
At that time.
That time. Now, obey, if you plot it, where they will go?
At any time it will know.
What I'm saying is that if what
That means what you have not understood, you know, how to plot it. So this value, it's so 30 degree south pole में था. It is also showing 30 degree south pole में था. यही है ना? Suppose they were together. Their pole will be same na during this point of time.
yes, sir,
So these two values will remain same na, 30 degree south. This is 30 degree south na. So you are getting this 30 degree south for both the things. It only gives the inclination. अब इधर घुमाओ या इधर घुमाओ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? 30 डिग्री साउथ को जाएगा ना वो.
what matters is the same inclination and
हाँ, that is thing. So that part I think it is not going to your mind. Suppose
so even if they were not joined but at the same latitude
that you cannot differentiate. That question is there. Suppose in the same latitude, number of continents are existing. Here a continent. Number of continents are existing at the same latitude, even though they are not joined, but they will show the same pole. That is the pertinent question. So they may show, you know, same pole, but whether they have joined or not, that is the doubt to say, difficult to say. Following the discussion on what. Now, how to do that? That's what I was about to come. I will come.
If you are plotting the data present means the rock is showing the same inclination. Two different rocks, two different types showing the same inclination.
At the same place.
At the same place.
Same place.
Assuming that they were at the same
It
level.
is same latitude. Now, suppose whether they were in the assembly or not, that is the point. How that is done? See. So what you are asking, you know, you understand this part now? I'll write down this part, yeah? Now, having same inclination does not vary that the continents were together. That is what you are telling us. Like suppose now the present you see ऐसे सेम लैटिट्यूड में ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी है ना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, साउथ अमेरिका भी है ना, but they are not in assembly, but both of them will show similar latitude value if the eruption is taking place in the same latitude. That is what basically. But we are not bothered. Point is, we are not bothered. Why I am telling? When you talk about they are in the same latitude, you know, same latitude. So they will construct one pole, you know. So all of them which are in the same latitude, they will construct one pole. Understood, na? Now, you see, suppose the next movement, you know, suppose this is taking place in the same latitude. ऐसे same latitude में जा रहा है, इधर या इधर, कोई difference नहीं दिखाएगा. It will not show any difference. थोड़ा सा suppose tilt हो गया, थोड़ा tilt हो गया. So this will show one path, this will show another path. Try to understand this part. So the next movement takes place. Not necessary that they will be moving in the same latitude, na? So when they are in the same latitude, they are showing one pole. But next is the movement going out. So what we can maximum interpret, you know, at this point of time they are in the same latitude. That's all. That is the thing they want to speak. They were sharing the same pole. They are not telling there are different poles. After that, the migration took place. So इसका pole same, around same 250 million. After that, it took one path, it took another path. So they are having same pole, as I told you, does not merit to be together. That is what, na? Now, the refinement, you know, that they were together. will come from where? So everything is not done mechanically, you know. Like geological matching. I am told you that there geological matching, the continental margin matching, all these geological evidences, the structural matching, all these things will come into picture. Now see, up there, we have some time. And so Antarctica, Australia, see this 1, 2, 3, 4. They will be having same pole. See, this one letter. So let us take one letter. This will have same pole, this will have same pole, this will have same pole, this will have same pole. Now I will keep in the same latitude. I am keeping them in the same latitude. I can keep Africa this side, Australia this side also. Suppose I keep Australia this side and Africa this side. I have to explain where is this graphite belt. I will be in trouble, right? Suppose I keep Australia this side of and Africa this side of India. I have to match these two ends, ना? ऐसे रखने से थोड़ी हो जाएगा. आप this only just says that they have common pole. Now how to fit them, you know? Like suppose America is fitting into Africa. मैं suppose इसको लेके यहाँ रख दूँगा. ये जो margin है, how they will fit? So when you are putting in assembly, you know, you should see that they fit together. Then only assembly will form, you know. Is just keeping them all of them, you know, just like jigsaw you must have played in the childhood days, you know. You feed them together like Z, A करके करते हैं ना. So you feed their margins. So by just getting the same halos, will not tell you that how to put them together. So you have to see their continental margins. They will match. Then only this assembly has been made. Otherwise you cannot do it. So this is matching this geological features. Another thing, you know. So this matching is done through computer modeling. Computer modeling, you give these values. Give these values. Here is the trend like this. Here is the trend like this. You give a best fit. It will play and give a best fit. If you want to accept it or discard it. So that is what the supercontinental models are being made. But see, there is another thing on the that is called continental wanderer. This is apparent polar wanderer. There is another thing, continental wanderer. Continental wanderer. So now this you know. If you know the longitude, latitude you calculate from the inclination. If you know the longitude of a continent at different edges. Suppose longitudes also, latitudes you know, if you know the longitude, you can place a continent where it was. Now how will you calculate the longitude? Huh? See, declinations are related to longitude.
They can be rotated.
The declination, what is declination? The arc rotational pole and the magnetic axis. This is the declination. That is what. But here, this is a geometric feature. This is a magnetic feature. That is what. The inclination is purely a magnetic feature. So you can measure it. But how you will measure this past orientation, you know, of a geometric feature? Geometric features you cannot measure it. Otherwise it would have been very easy. This apparent polar wanderer path, we would not have followed even. Straight we would have calculated this position of the continents. But this is a geometric feature, you know. How Earth rotates. That is a geometric line, you know. You just cannot find it out. So for this declination, you know, there are some calculations which takes care of this Euler pole. Using the Euler pole for each continent, this value, declination values have been if you know the Euler pole. Euler pole I have told you yesterday, na? I'll show you one thing here. You have some time now. I want to see now. आप देखना ट्राई कीजिए सर. Many things are written. Probably you need to understand. So this is South America. This is Africa. So this is the Atlantic floor. Now this is the Mid-Oceanic region. Mid-Atlantic region. Understand? Now see the transform faults. Transform faults. See he is writing. So this is the Mid-Oceanic region. I will draw it. So this is the, let us see. Yes, sir. So this part is drawing. This part. The ulta मैं करते हैं. So this is the transform fault. This is the Mid-Oceanic region. What he is telling? These transform faults are joining this Mid-Oceanic region to this Mid-Oceanic region. So he is telling this is the active part. Active part means what? So either side of it, now this plate, suppose this is plate A and plate B, they are really moving. This plate is moving like this. This plate is moving like this. That is why this is active. But you see, this is being traced, you know, all along the ocean floor. See? Right from this margin to this margin. Right from our American margin to African margin, it is being continuously drawn. This side very close to the coast, it may be covered with sediments. Otherwise it is existing. So it will be touching the coastal margin to this coast margin. But this part is inactive. This part is inactive. Inactive means what? You see this plate and this plate. They are moving in the same direction. So there is no movement along this plane. Only movement is taking place here. See, this plate is coming this way, this plate is going this way. That is why there is a motion along this line. But once it touches here, this plate and this plate, they are moving in the same direction. So there is no motion, relative motion between them. That is why this part is inactive transform part. So जब these two continents are together, ऐसा ऐसे तो थे. There is no motion. Only it is breaking up now. So at the first instance, a small transform fault was produced. So that fault just to allow these plates to separate initially. So once they start moving, so these are the. So this point was once upon a time here. This point was here. This point was here. Now that they have been separated. So what are these lines? This line is only trace of this plane. Once upon a time this was active. Once upon a time this was active. Volcanic eruption was coming on. So now they have gone out. So these transform faults are extending from one margin to the other margin. You don't understand this part now? So these transform faults, this part is active, this part is inactive. Here volcanic eruption is going on, here seismicity is going on, but nothing is happening here. It is sealed. Because between these two, there is no relative motion. So why it should be active? This part is clear or not? Tell me. Huh? But they extend all over the ocean. One margin to the other margin. Now, if I ask this, so when this separation took place, 250 million years back, this separation took place. 250 साल पहले, 250 million years पहले यहाँ से separation हुआ. To follow this point ना, so this continent was at this longitude. ये longitude में था ना. Now it has come to this longitude. So here one longitude से west 30 में था, west longitude में था. Now it has come to this side, you know, west 10. West 10 को आ गया. This part from west 30, it has gone to west 70. That is what initially they were all along this longitude. Now it has gone to this longitude, it has gone to this longitude. Now, if you know this longitude now, you can calculate from where it has come, from which longitude it has come, provided you know ये जो rotation किस axis के चारों तरफ हुआ है. नहीं होगा. सपोज ऐसे ग्लोब आप देखो, ग्लोब पड़ा है. अब यहां से 7 में थे, 10 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड में था. ये पॉइंट, कोई भी एक पॉइंट ऐसे, ये ऐसे जा रहा, ऐसे चला गया. सेम पॉइंट इज नाउ एट दिस लॉन्गिट्यूड. सेम पॉइंट इज नाउ एट दिस लॉन्गिट्यूड. So on which path they are going? They are going along this transform path. No? This is the path they are going. तो follow this point ना. Now कितना डिग्री रोटेट किया है? इसका pole will tell you. If you know the euler pole, it will tell this many degree rotation it has taken place. It will tell you if you know the euler pole. ये रास्ता का जो सेंटर है, this will tell the euler pole. Euler pole, if you know the position of euler pole, it will tell you how much of rotation it has taken place along this line. So you can backtrack the longitude, you know, from where it has come and now where it is. Understood this part? How the paleo longitudes can be calculated? If you know this transform fault direction, that means euler pole. You can calculate from where it has come. Sometimes transform faults becomes curved, oblique, but they will tell you the euler pole. Na? So if you know the euler pole or the transform fault ka jo direction, you can calculate from which longitude it has come. But the transform faults are how old are they? They are only 250 million years old. इससे पहले तो ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉल्ट है नहीं हमारे पास. तो प्रोटोजेक टाइम की जो रोटेशन है, the longitudinal position you cannot calculate. Longitudinal position you can calculate only after 200 million years. When you have the transform faults, the ocean नहीं है more than 200 million years. How you will calculate the longitudes? You cannot calculate. You have to be satisfied with only your paleolatitude. That's all. You don't understand this part. So those are working with the Gondwana construction, you know, Gondwana land से breakup होके अभी आया. If you are working with that, with the present day ocean, you are fine. You can get a longitude from the transform faults. But if you are doing a Archean assembly, Proterozoic assembly, where there is no transform, you know euler pole, you cannot do. You have to be happy with your this paleolatitude or polar underpath and the continental margin matching. You understand this part, na? So this is the difference. So active, inactive, you have understood. I think we should stop it here. Next class we will see.